Hello, good morning, everybody. I extremely late today, but we're on now. About 17 minutes in the market. Haven't made any trades. GPU won't go past 50, but CPU will. So we had a lot of good opening range breakouts today. Everything seemed to find a direction right at the open and either took the fast way there or the arms, and looks like it got halted. Time to get halted 9:47, so 30 seconds ago. And sometimes trade these, they're very, very risky. But after the first halt, they tend to go up one more time before they halt again. It did halt a little bit later in the trading session. It's like 18 minutes in. Sometimes it happens within the first couple minutes. I don't think I'm going to trade anything today. I woke up too late. Didn't get my list going. Strategy and coin are doing. Looks like it wants to pull back before any really runs higher. Trading. Not sure why they have this X bond on the watch list. Obviously, it's more of a popcorn stock. Popcorn meaning entertaining, not necessarily something you want to trade. 9 million initial closing the private placement. That was announced this morning. Leader in energy storage solutions and delivery. Acquires assets establishing oil and gas exploration. Wonder if we put something, let's say down here, how much time do we got? 50, 47, 52, 47. Let's see if we can, whoa. 100 That's pretty wild. Let's not do that. Can't get a valid price, so you can't really get into this until it opens. It's gonna just so right now the bid and the ask are at 838. This thing will likely we could probably ride this second halt wave. Not too concerned about it. Plus our risk is more in line with our account size, so I'm willing to take a stab at it. I don't want to go. It's going to be volatile again. It's probably going to get halted right away, but it might go all the way to $9.50, $10 before it gets halted again, but it might whip around the open. Alright, we got 7 seconds until it opens back up. I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it. See what happens. See what happens. See if it'll go for us. See if it'll go to 10. X on. You gotta be super careful with these. It might go, it might not. And once it gets halted in one direction, you gotta get out. Looks like it might do what we were hoping. See if we can get through 9, go to 10. Goes to 10, this will be one and done trade for the day. Computer is being super slow. We do 5 levels. Looks like it could run through 9, so let's just hope it does. So did it come up to this level? Almost made it. See what happens. Struggling here, but I still see a lot of orders to the upside. My stop is below the open price. If it does slam down through there, which it can definitely do, I will get all out. But we're hoping it goes the other way. I don't trade these past 2 halts pretty much ever. It looks like it's about to. Uh-oh. It's gonna get halted to the downside. It's pretty damn close. We're done. We're out. I hit our stop. This gray down here, this is where it'll get halted. If it goes below 754. So they're trying to hold it up. Buyers are trying to hold it up. It's right super close to that downside halt. It's gonna get halted down. Yep. Just got halted. So this is when you really don't want to be in this trade. Because this thing could open down here now. Could open down $7. Yeah, you see the bid and the ask are at 7 now. So if you're stuck in this, you're going to be down a lot. That's why these are very sketchy to trade, but I'm glad I got out where I did. Just lost 1 hour on it, no big deal. See what else is going on. Wow, this is a really, really crazy one. This one has been halted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times now. Don't know what it is. It's a penny stock. It opened, it was at 43 cents this morning. What the hell is this? I have no idea what this is. This is a penny stock. It's up 442%. BAIC announces delisting notice and intention to appeal. Asset intelligence technology. Software as a service. 6 million in strategic investments. That was announced on Friday. Nothing. There's no news. I don't see any news on it. Bitcoin's doing today. Bitcoin run up over the last week. I still think it's going lower before it goes higher, but maybe it's getting artificially moved. I'm really gonna have to, I took Friday off, so I'm gonna have to get to work pretty soon here. By in the next minute or so. I realized that my market clock, where's my market clock? I don't have a market clock up there, so I need to get another clock. Countdown, no, I don't want to do that. Put this here. Here. Oh yeah, I forgot I was watching my oh. Yeah, I should have looked at that. I don't think I'm going to taking this off. So, research, video, expand. What happened? Halted at 9:56. So the halts usually go for 5 minutes until there's. It depends. It hits once it hits a certain number of halts, it will stay halted for longer, depending on. I actually don't know what it completely depends on. I guess he's calling out another one. The guy from Benzinga Latos. Looks like they had a good run up over the last couple weeks to a month. But it does look like it's got a topping pattern going on. Alright, this will probably open in the next 9 seconds, 8 seconds or so. It looks like a bunch of big orders down here. Probably shoot down to $6.50, $6. This thing could sell all the way down to 6 easily. No, looks like they're gonna hold it for 10 minutes now. Sky high. Yeah, I missed the open. SpaceX was a good ORB up. It broke S4 though. I don't really necessarily like that. I don't know if I would have been able to get into that unless you take this as a 1 minute ORB, large volume, hammer candle, across the VWAP. You could have entered here when this candle broke the top wick, and you could have put your stop below the blue VWAP or even the bottom of this body on this candle. You would have got a nice tight stop. This thing would have ran, looks like 5 or 6 R. You definitely could have got a trade out of this. Partial at PDC, partial at yesterday's high, 2 days ago high, and then maybe get another one here if you're feeling like it's gonna reverse, and then boom, it'll come down and stop you. But it would have been a nice quick ORB trade, but I missed it. Let's late to the game. Video would have been a good short. Don't know if would have seen it or caught it. It did do this R3 touch, which I do like, but it came from, I believe it was above that. Oh, this is the 1 minute. This would have been one of those trades I've been talking about with these R3. I don't have a strategy for it or a trade book for it, but I have seen this happen a lot with R3 and S3. If it's teasing with it before the market and it starts to go the opposite way, you can follow it. If you go with the rule of not trading in the first 1 minute, this would have been tough. Suppose you could have tried an entry, maybe put your stop halfway up this candle. Once it broke here, so you'd have to enter on the third candle. But it's already doing a small range run. It's pretty tight Camarillo range. I don't know. It's tough. Would have been a good short. I just don't know where the entry would have been. How's my computer doing? Seems to be keeping up a little bit better today, so that's good. I am planning on getting a new microphone so that at least the audio quality improves on this. It looks like MicroStrategy's starting to run, which means coin could possibly be getting ready to turn around. Some big orders at 2. That's way up there. We don't want that far away. We want to see what's closer to where the price action's at. Alright, 190, we got decent size order. I already missed my entry, but you do see the volume coming in now. Get down to S3, we had a couple of hammer candles there. I don't really love trading coin. Moves pretty erratically and it tends to stop me out. But yeah, I think Yeah, MicroStrategy's running too. Oh man. Disney. What are they calling Disney? Oh wow. Wow, we're on Disney. I feel like someone was calling that out. What's Xbon doing? Here's why you don't trade these. And see you later. If you're stuck in this, you're hurting right now. I've been eaten up by some of these before. But I was willing to take along here. It came and tested VWAP, halted on the way up. Looked like it might have had a chance to run to high day. When you're in these and you catch them the right way, you can make a good amount of money off them. So I was willing to risk an R on it. Once it came down below the open price, and I decided I wanted to get out. I mean, that's where my stop was, but also I don't leave my stops on the chart, or I don't leave them on the L2 because I don't know. I believe somebody has access to that somehow, some way. Not that my $50 is gonna do much for them, but I don't know. I missed anything that I would have traded today, so I think I am going to call it. Thanks for stopping in. But yeah, I'm gonna sign